Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. BlackRock's spot Ether ETF amasses nearly $900 million since launch. Next, Morgan Stanley advisors can officially pitch Bitcoin ETFs. Also, crypto super PACs win big backing candidates in 3 U.S. state primaries. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: BlackRock's spot Ether ETF amasses nearly $900 million since launch. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust has almost hit $900 million in total inflows after just 11 trading days. BlackRock's spot Ether exchange-traded fund saw $109.9 million inflows on August 6th, bringing its total inflows to $869.8 million since its launch on July 23rd. According to Farside Investors, it marked the iShares Ethereum Trust's, or ETHA, third biggest flow day as investors looked to capitalize on Ether's 18% price fall on August 5th. The $870 million inflows puts BlackRock's spot Ether ETF in the top 6 best performers of all ETFs launched in 2024, according to Nate Garachi, president of the ETF store. 4 of the other 5 best performers are spot Bitcoin ETFs, including BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, he added. BlackRock's ETHA also scooped up $47.1 million on the crypto industry's Black Monday, which saw over $600 million in leveraged long positions wiped out. Despite the massive market fall, the combined flows for the ETHA on August 5th and 6th alone puts it in the top 10% of ETFs launched in 2024, Garachi added. All this has been achieved without the spot Ether ETF issuers offering staking returns and options trading. Meanwhile, spot Ether ETFs saw a combined $98.4 million inflow on August 6th, their best day since launching on July 23rd. Fidelity's spot Ethereum ETF saw the second largest inflow on August 6th at $22.5 million, while the Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust and Franklin Ethereum ETF saw $4.7 million and $1 million in inflows, respectively. TradFi slurping up that ETH, said Anthony Sassino, host of Ethereum show The Daily Gui. Grayscale's higher fee Ethereum product, the Grayscale Ethereum Trust, was the only spot Ether ETF to record an outflow of $39.7 million. Despite ETHA's strong start, the spot Ether ETFs still have seen a combined $473.9 million in outflows when factoring in the $2.2 billion that has left Grayscale's ETF. Ether has partially recovered since bottoming out at $2,197 on August 5th, up 13.5% to $2,494, CoinGecko data shows. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: Morgan Stanley advisors can officially pitch Bitcoin ETFs. For now, the advisory platform is only recommending ETFs from BlackRock and Fidelity. Morgan Stanley, the largest wealth manager in the United States, authorized its 15,000 financial advisors to start recommending Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to clients on August 7th, a person familiar with the matter told Cointelegraph. The person who was not authorized to speak publicly on the matter confirmed an earlier CNBC report which said the financial advisory planned to start recommending BTC ETFs on August 7th. For now, Morgan Stanley is only recommending 2 products, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, or FBTC. Winning over Morgan Stanley is a milestone for crypto. Among wirehouses, Morgan Stanley is the largest. Its advisory network manages some $3.75 trillion, including $1 trillion in self-directed client accounts, according to financialplanning.com. BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's FBTC are emerging as blue chips among BTC ETFs. They are seeing adoption not only among wirehouses like Morgan Stanley, but also among independent financial advisors. Roxana Islam, head of sector and industry research at VeChain, a fund researcher, told Cointelegraph. Since the launch of these spot crypto ETPs, demand has been strong across all client segments, which is exciting to see the potential this asset class brings amongst retail investors, RIAs, institutional investors, and beyond. Matt Horn, head of digital asset strategists at Fidelity Investments, told Cointelegraph. Continued uptake by leading advisory platforms could spur a surge of inflows from advisors into spot BTC ETFs, Matthew Seigel, VanEck's head of digital assets research, told Cointelegraph. Until now, the largest financial advisory firms, known as wirehouses, have been hesitant to embrace spot crypto ETFs. Inflows from financial advisors were previously limited to independent shops known as Registered Investment Advisors, or RIA. The RIA community tends to be early on the investment adoption curve. They were early adopters of the ETF vehicle, and that adoption continued with the recent spot crypto ETPs, Horn said. Our next top headline: Crypto super PACs win big backing candidates in 3 U.S. state primaries. After backing 2 losing candidates in Arizona primaries on July 30th, the crypto-backed Fair Shake PAC and its affiliates could claim up to 4 new victories in congressional races. News outlets have already called 3 primary races in Missouri and Michigan potentially influenced by funds from the Fair Shake Super Political Action Committee, or PAC, or its affiliates, with a 4th in Washington being also a possible victory. As of August 7th, media outlets reported that Democrat Wesley Bell had defeated incumbent Cori Bush in the party primary for Missouri's 1st congressional district. Bob Onder had won the Republican nomination for Missouri's 3rd, and Sri Thandar had won the Democratic primary in Michigan's 13th. At the time of publication, officials were still tabulating votes to determine the winner of the Democratic primary in Washington's 6th congressional district. Fair Shake and its affiliates, the Defend American Jobs PAC and the Protect Progress PAC, poured roughly $4 million combined into the 4 primary races in an attempt to support pro-crypto candidates for the United States House of Representatives or oppose ones who had expressed anti-crypto views. $1.4 million went into a media buy to oppose Bush, $250,000 to support Onder, and $1 million to support Thandar. Cori Bush has now become the latest anti-crypto Elizabeth Warren-endorsed lawmaker to lose their seat in Congress, said Fair Shake spokesperson Josh Vlasto. The crypto and blockchain community will continue to support candidates who believe in innovation and job creation. Emily Randall, the Democrat backed by a $1.5 million Protect Progress media buy in Washington's 6th congressional district, was leading in the primary race at the time of publication with roughly 62% of votes counted. She should be victorious. She could face Republican Drew McEwen in the November general election. Hillary France, a Democrat trailing against McEwen and Randall at the time of publication, called out support from super PACs on X the night of the primary race. Her campaign manager, Eve Zerbinski, suggested in July that Protect Progress was a MAGA-funded super PAC, hoping to buy members of Congress by influencing elections with money. Out-of-state super PACs spent over $2.4 million to buy this seat, said France, on August 6th. In the face of this unprecedented influx of dark money, we knew we faced an uphill climb, but thanks to our volunteers and supporters, this race is too close to call. Fair shake loses in Arizona. The Michigan, Missouri, and Washington August 6th races followed primaries in Arizona, where Republican and Democratic candidates, backed by Fairshake or its affiliates, lost on July 30th. Defend American Jobs and Protect Progress invested $1 million into media buys to support Republican Blake Masters and Democrat Andrea Channing in House primaries, but both lost to opponents within their respective parties. Before the primary, Protect Progress used roughly $1.3 million to support Democrat Yasamin Ansari over her opponent Raquel Tehran in Arizona's 3rd Congressional District. At the time of publication, the race was too close to call and will likely go to a recount. Ansari led by less than 100 votes. Crypto interest groups have already put their money behind major party candidates running to be U.S. President in 2024, a race including Democratic nominee and Vice President Kamala Harris and Republican Donald Trump. Some industry leaders, including the Winklevoss twins, have pledged to vote for Trump, but Harris has the support of many who say the presidential candidate has an opportunity to distance herself from crypto policy under the Biden administration. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.